Hi, hello, namaskar to all the viewers. This is Suman once again in front of you to help you in the selection of your dream jewelry. And Suswagatam to all the viewers who are already watching our live streaming, and requesting for those rest of the people also, please join to our online streaming as early as possible. Today I bring in front of you a beautiful 6 chains, maximum those are studded in pulse only. Stones, gold is very less in that. Let us see each one. First, this is with complete milky white round pearls with gold caps, totally studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmarking. And rest of all is, this is the second one is very beautiful pearls. See, golden color pearls, complete round ones, very little bit gold is added here. And third one is, all of you know, these are big size pearls, that means South Sea pearls, champagne color South Sea pearls. For highlighting, just we are added a ruby beads, uncut ruby beads in between. And third is very special piece, newly 2 carats gold. And next is, all of you know, these are baroque shape pearls, uneven shape pearls with milky white color, complete studded in gold, purely 22 carats gold with hallmarking. And next is a very beautiful and simple chain with cubic zircons and complete round pearls with milky white, studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmarking. And I will tell our address once again. We are Krishna Pearls, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, Hyderabad. And we have free shipping all over India, and we have international free shipping also, but some terms and conditions we will apply. And if you want, we will schedule a video call immediately. And our WhatsApp number is +91 92480 36721. And for more designs, please follow our Insta and FB and YouTube. And if you want to see more other designs, please watch our www.krishnapearls.com. So, okay, we will see each chain with closely. I will show you closely this one. See how beauty the luster is. On the pearls they are provided the caps. On the caps also they are given the design, purely in 22 carats gold. Total inside is also gold. It gives the glitters in front of sunlight. In the back side we are provided 1 line chain. Next, this is extended up to 3 lines each side. So some falling is very good in this. Here also you can see this one. See, the falling is like that. Step by step it will come. And here also they are provided the graduation. 1 second. Awesome. See, if you wear, then you will see the look of this. Beautiful look. It will fall step by step. And these are also provided graduation. So starts from little bit small size to up to big size, around up to 7 to 8 mm size it will come. Once again I will show closely. See, starts with 1 line. This is back side. Compared to video, it looks very beautiful and really purely total gold, 22 carats gold. And it is useful for both unisex, ladies and gents also, because if we provide a dory backside, then it is useful for both.
Tejaswini madam is asking price.
Namaste Tejaswini madam, thank you for watching our online streaming. I will tell ma'am price and product details. And this we will see the weights. Gross weight is 49.035 grams and net gold weight is 17.335 grams. Almost 17 plus grams are net gold is there, and price is around 1,70,000. This is approximate price 1,70,000 ma'am, Tejaswini ma'am. This price is, and that 3% GST we will add, and pulse and making charges we will give the very best deal. Please share your number ma'am. Just say hi to our WhatsApp number. Then our people will contact you and give the complete details and the best prices for this.
Richa madam is asking, will rings also available for this?
Namaste Richa madam, thank you for coming our online streaming. Definitely we have plenty of rings ma'am. Today I am not showing those. If you share your number ma'am, just hi.
Earrings for this.
Earrings. We have earrings, ma'am. Exact matching earrings also we have available. Share your number, ma'am. Then our team will show the related earrings. We have hangings also, studs also in this matching. Whatever you want, you will get, ma'am. Very simple chain, ma'am. For small functions, night, evening, dinner parties, birthday parties, it looks very nice. You can wear daily also, this daily, because nothing will happen. These are natural pearls, comes from water only, and this is purely 22 carats gold. So nothing will happen if water touches also. Very beautiful piece. Second one we will see. This is very special piece, ma'am. Newly came. These are called as golden color pearls. See the luster of the pearls shining. And this is also graduations from smaller size to around 6 mm to around 9 mm size. And these are here we are provided a gold chakris or gold beads, what you call it. In that also we are given the design. That's why it gives the glitters in front of lights, and just like diamond glitters will come. And we are, for gripping, we are provided 2 brooch.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah,
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
my whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah.
Next. See, this is also in graduation, smaller to bigger size. In between we are using the ruby beads, and inside is nylon silk thread, very strong thread, 2-3 rows we will use. In the ending we are provided little bit big size pearls, capsule type oval shape pearls, so it looks like pendant is there. అది గోల్డ్ వడ్రానం. See how beautiful is this, very big size. This one thing is enough for you wear. This is useful for both ladies and gents. See, beautiful this one. in the dhoti functions or marriages. For gents also it looks very beautiful. What I am showing today maximum are in for unisex, both ladies and gents. That is the use of the dory. If you use dory backside, it is useful for both ladies and gents. It's a beautiful piece. And if anyone likes the design, just snapshot the photo and send to our WhatsApp, then we will give the complete details and we will see the weights. This is in this ruby is 15.3 carats and this is South Sea pearl, around 850.20 carats are there. More weight is there for big pearls. If anybody likes big pearls, this looks very nice, especially for gents. Very beautiful piece. This price is around 3,05,000. 3,05,000 because all of you know South Sea is very premium quality one. The price is like that only. Beautiful piece. And next we will see one more very beautiful piece. See the champagne color pearls, uneven shape pearls. These are purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmarking. Backside also we are provided the gold chain. Let's see closely. And in this chain one special contest is there. If anybody tell the name of the pearls, these are very rare pearls. If anybody tell the name of the pearls, then we will give a surprise gift. We will announce the contest winner in the next Wednesday. So please hurry up, do the messages. If anybody know what is the name of the pearls, just I don't want the weights and anything prices of the pearls. Just I am asking what is the name of the pearls, because maximum people, pearls lovers, definitely know what are the different types of pearls. So this is one of the rarest pearls. If you tell anybody the name of the pearls, just message it. Then in the next Wednesday we will announce the winner. We will shortlist and we will announce the winner. This is purely in 22 carats gold. Very beautiful piece, newly came. Maximum our regular guests know the name of the pearls also. Beautiful, total gold, no nylon silk thread, nothing in this. Once again see the color, luster, very beautiful, very rare. These are complete natural look. Due to this uneven shape, these are completely looks natural. This is also useful for both ladies and gents. Backside if you provide dory or if you want to add the rings.
Sapna madam is asking what is the cost for this?
Namaste Sapna madam, thank you for coming watching our online streaming. I will tell the pricing, ma'am. Just 1 second. After showing, I will tell the weights and prices. See how beautiful is it? Especially for youngsters, kids, for dhoti functions, half saree functions. It looks very nice. Beautiful piece. One chain is enough. Definitely you will get the compliments because these are very rarest pearls. Okay, I will see the weights and pricings of this. This is gross weight is 61.360 grams. 61.360 grams. Net weight is 32.370 grams. 32 grams is the net weight and 61 grams is the gross weight. And pulse weight is 145 carats. In this pulse weight is 145 carats. This price is around 2,60,000. Approximately 2,60,000 is the price. Please note that if you tell the name of the pulse, we will shortlist in that and we will announce the winner in the next Wednesday, same time. We will on every Wednesday we will start our online session exactly 11:30 AM. So in that session we will announce who is the winner of that. So please hurry up. Very beautiful piece.
Bhagyavati madam is asking how much for it?
How much?
Bhagyavati madam.
Namaste Bhagyavati madam. Bhagyavati madam, thank you for watching our online streaming. This is price is 2,60,000 ma'am. Please share your number. Just say hi to our WhatsApp number. We will give the complete details and we will give the best price also. We have free shipping all over India also. This is 145 carats. Pulse weight is 145 carats. Just I am asking the name of the pulse.
Matching earrings.
Yeah, you will get matching earrings If you want any design in hanging or stud also, you will get a different pattern of earrings we will get in this. Please share your number, then we will show the related products.
Sapna madam is asking, okay, anyway, you have any discount?
हाँ Swapna madam, definitely ma'am, we will give the very best discount ma'am. Just share your number ma'am, we will give the, this is 2,60,000 approximately plus 3% GST. We will give the on pulse and making charges and value addition, we will give the definitely very best price. Please share your number ma'am. Immediately our team will respond ma'am and give the reply. If you want any other designs also, related designs, we will show. But this is very special piece ma'am, only one is there. If anybody want, please please block immediately ma'am, because other piece is very difficult to make this one. If you give 1 month time also, it is very difficult to make other one, because these pulse are very rarest pulse. It is very difficult to get one more piece. So only one piece is there. Beautiful piece, see the luster of the pulse shining, total natural look, because due to this uneven, natural look is coming total. If you want to decrease some more rows also, it is possible.
No madam, sure discount.
Namaste Swapna madam.
Share your number.
Please share your number ma'am, we will give very best price ma'am. Definitely we will give very best price ma'am. In the online session it is very difficult to announce the discount. Just share your number ma'am, we will make you happy. Definitely we will give very best price in this.
Damani madam is asking, hello, please show other designs.
Namaste Davini madam, thank you for coming our online streaming. Please share your number ma'am to our WhatsApp number, then our team will approach ma'am and show the related designs also. This type of is only one, some related designs will present ma'am in this. This type of pulse only one piece is available. If you want other designs like small pulse, other kakamoti pulse, different types, you will get and we will show you. Please share your number ma'am. Thank you.
Sapna madam has shared number.
Thank you Swapna madam for sharing your number. Definitely our team will approach ma'am immediately and they will give very best deal ma'am. We have free delivery also all over India. If you are in Hyderabad, our person will personally come ma'am and deliver the product also. Thank you ma'am, thank you for sharing your number. And next one more chain we will see. This is also looks very simple and 3 rows but very beautiful one. Uneven milky shape pulse. These are called as Baroque shape pulse also. Baroque pulse, these are called as. And this is also graduation, smaller to bigger. Starts from 2 mm to up to here 5-6 mm. This is also completely with gold, purely 22 carats gold. If you want to increase the length, back side you can provide the dory or you can add the gold rings also. Total very strong, complete gold, no nylon silk thread. Very beautiful piece, see the falling of the pulse. Total natural look, uneven shape, milky white. In uneven shape, milky, to get milky white is very difficult. So this is a very special piece. 3 rows, it will fall step by step, not twisted, it will fall by step, one by one step it will come. If you want 2 rows, 1 row, or if you want more rows, it is possible. If you place an order, we will make and give you. Only the thing is in this pulse are important. Pulse are very beautiful ones and rare ones. Not much design, rest of is very easy to make, but only the thing is selection of the pulse. Maximum this piece is special for the pulse only. Let's see once more close. It will not twist ma'am, step by step, because 2 brooches are provided here, 2 clips. So it will come step by step when you wear it. This is also useful for multi-purpose, ladies and gents. If you keep a dory backside, it is useful for both ladies and gents. Very beautiful piece.
Damani madam is asking, please tell the price.
Namaste Davini madam, just I will tell ma'am, after showing this I will tell the price and weights. Just 1 second. See how beautiful is this. Beautiful when you wear, especially it looks very beautiful, complete natural look. Just I will tell the weights and prices.
Price.
Namaste Silpa Reddy madam, thank you for watching our online streaming. Just 1 second ma'am, I will tell the price and weights. This is gross weight is 56.6 grams, ma'am. 56.6 grams is the gross weight, and net weight is 17.130. Net weight is around 17 grams is the gold in this, and pulse weight is around 200 carats. 200 carats is the weight of the pulse. Total price is 2,23,000. Approximate price is 2,23,000. Dhamini madam and Shilpa madam, please share your numbers, ma'am, to our WhatsApp number. Just say hi to our WhatsApp number. Then our team will approach and give the complete details, ma'am. We will give the very best discount also. Or else share your number in this live program also, ma'am. Then we will give this one to our online team. Then they will approach, ma'am. This is 2,23,000. Approximate price. We will give the very best deal in this. And next we will see one more beautiful. This is chain, gold chain with pendant. In middle is the South Sea pearl, drop shape pearls, cubic zircons, button shape pearls, small milky white pearls, big milky white pearls. So many pearls are added in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of pearls are added in this. So it looks very beautiful, mixture of all types of pearls, this one. And they are made design also something different, not given complete flower. 2 brooch type flowers are provided here, and here flower is not incomplete, half of the pearl. That is one of the design our designers made. We are getting good response this, because this is looking something different, special. This is also studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmarking. Just we will see the falling of the pearls. First they are started with single line with gold caps, and the gold caps also we are given the design. Next we are introduced the CJets, cubic zircons. These are also very finest quality CJets, equivalent to Swarovski. Next complete 6 rows, small pearls, round pearls, milky white, very good luster. See the glitters of the pearls and stones. Next we are provided one flower type, half flower with button shaped pearl. Next be a big pearl, that is South Sea pearl in creamish color. Next with pendant, we are provided pendant with flower, button shaped pearls, and last we are given the drops. Then it looks very good. For all these chains you will get the matching earrings, finger rings, bracelets also. See how beautiful is it. This is not the first piece, 2-3 pieces are already sold out. Beautiful, see the falling and glitters. A beautiful piece, total 6 rows. In the downwards we are provided the drop pearls. This is also useful for both ladies and gents if you provide a dory. Just see. Beautiful. See the glitters of the pearls. This falling is different. Something the 6 rows will not directly fall. See the falling of the pearls. It is very beautiful piece. We will see the weights and prices of this chain. This is also studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmarking. This is gross weight is 30.530 grams. In this total pulse and gold, total and stones, gross weight is 30.5 grams, and net gold is 8.4 grams. Net gold is very less, 8.4 grams only, and CJets, cubic zircon weight is around 12 carats, and pulse weight is around 100 carats. And total price is 1,10,000. Approximate price 1,10,000. Very beautiful piece.
Monica madam is asking any grey color pearls.
Namaste Monica madam, thank you for watching our online streaming. We have grey color pearls, ma'am, different is silver grey and normal grey. Please share your number, ma'am. We will show the related designs and pearls also. So many color pearls we have, ma'am. Peach color, pink color, grey color, silver grey, peacock grey. So many different types of pearls are there. You will get, ma'am. Or else share your number in this live session also, ma'am. Then our team will respond. This is 1,10,000. So once again I am telling, for this chain especially, just please message what is the type of the pearls, just the name of the pearls. You know the South Sea pearls, Tahiti pearls, saltwater pearls, Mikimoto pearls, freshwater pearls, Baroque pearls, like that. What is the name of the pearls? I am telling rest of all the pearls excepting this just so. Please guess and tell the name of the price, name of the pearls. Then on the next Wednesday we will announce who is the winner of the contest. Just I am asking, just tell the name of the pearls only. What is the name related for this pearls? Very beautiful piece, newly came, These are champagne color, uneven shape, little bit right shape pulse. Very beautiful. Just tell the name. What is the name of the pulse?
Anil sir is asking price for this.
Namaste Anil sir. Thank you for watching our online streaming. This price is around 2,60,000 sir. Gross weight is 61 grams, net weight is 33 grams, and pulse weight is 145 carats. 145 carats. Premium quality pulse always calculated in carats. So beautiful pieces. Once again I am telling my address. Krishna Pulse, Jubilee Hills Road number 36, Hyderabad. It is near metro station, and we have free shipping all over India. And if you are in Hyderabad, our person will personally come and hand over the product. And we have free international shipping also. For some terms and conditions apply. If you share your number, then we will tell what are the terms and conditions. We will schedule a video call also if you want. If you want to see any product closely, we will do a video call also. Next, our WhatsApp number is +91 92480 36721. And for more designs, follow our Instagram and Facebook and YouTube also. Now we are available in YouTube also. And if you want to see more design related to pulse, please see our website www.krishnapulse.com. And we are since 1983. We have multiple branches. One of the branches in our first branch is in near Charminar, near Pathargatti. Next is in our one of the premium quality showroom is available in Hotel Taj Krishna, and next is one in Novotel Hyderabad. Novotel Hyderabad. In these two stores are there in the Hyderabad. Once again, see closely our address. If you want anybody take the snapshot. Our website, Instagram. If you want any video calls, personal video calls, we will do, ma'am. If you like any product, please share. We will do the video call. And once again, see the products. This is gold chain with 3 rows, step by step, purely 22 carats gold. And next is with premium quality saltwater pulse. In between little gold checkeries we are added, golden color pulse. Next, all of you know South Sea pulse. In between ruby beads, very beautiful piece. And next is our contest chain, very beautiful uneven shape, champagne color pulse, purely studded in 22 carats gold. This is only one piece available. And next is with the baroque shape pulse with milky white uneven shape pulse. It is also followed by step, purely 22 carats gold. And one more is gold chain, very beautiful half round flower and drop size pulse. 5 types of pulse are used in this: South Sea, drop shape, button shape, small size, big size pulse. Very beautiful piece. And if you have missed anything, this entire live session is saved in IGTV. Please see the IGTV, and if you like anything, take the snapshot and send to us. We will give the complete details. Hoping you like all of the products today. Please, ma'am, if you like, please share your number and send the photo also. We will give very best deal and best discount also. Thank you for watching our live session. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Bye bye. Signing out soon.